Muscle Cars is proud to present this beautiful 1934 two-door Victoria sedan. Powered by a Chevrolet small block 350, 700R4 automatic transmission, full leather interior, vintage heat and air, front power disc brakes. This is a show quality car you can drive anywhere or show anywhere. On the inside of this beautiful 34, you're going to have a custom stereo system, vintage heat and air, I did it chrome tilt steering wheel, leather steering wheel, full custom gauges on this car. This car is ready to drive in the heat or the cold, to the coast or to the mountains. If you're looking for a car that you can drive anywhere you want, this is it. When this car was built, these are the best quality parts available with a given body, small block Chevrolet engine that's completely chromed out, a 700R4 automatic transmission, a Ford 9-inch rear end, power disc brakes on the front, Mustang 2 rack companion steering. With vintage heat and air and all the stuff on this car, you can go anywhere you would like. Show this car, pick up your trophy, and head to the next stop.